morning to everybody present on Lloyd campus in this auditorium today. It is a very, very auspicious day for not only the PGDM class of 2025 receiving their diplomas today, but for all of us who have not only worked in the institute with these students, but also prayed for you every minute that may sky be the limit for you. May you achieve scoring marks. May you achieve the best of what you have desired in your life. So for everybody, it's a big congratulations to the faculty, to the director, to our dean, to the parents, to friends, relatives, and especially dear students who have made this day possible. So well done, everybody. I take this opportunity to welcome our guests for today who have been kind enough to spare their weekend morning to us. Today we have Mr. Sajeev, who's in the senior leadership of Philips. We have Mr. Uttam Lal, who's the director at NHPC. Mr. Varinder Verma, who's the founder chairman of Peopleverse. And Mr. Ajay Prasad, senior leadership at Howden, amongst other dignitaries that we have today. So thank you very much for coming in today. And I'm so glad that today our students are going to be blessed by the best in the corporate world. I have all my best wishes for you, and the college doors are open for you all the time. Just walk in, meet all of us. We'll be happy to assist you, bless you in the best possible manner. So thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for being a part of this in the last 2 years, and I wish you good luck. Thank you very much.
Respected dignitaries at the dais, faculty members and dear students, a very good afternoon to all of you. There was a lot of points which Dr. Vandana spoke, which I also relate to. Probably there would be a couple of points which are common. So at the cost of repeating, I find them really keen to repeat that. Towards in the course of my speech, if you come across something similar, you just can take it that there's somebody else also who's waiting the same thing. So I have had an experience of about 32 years in terms of my career, with about 24 years in consumer durables and about 8 years into automobile two-wheelers. Now, one thing I can relate to when I stand here is that I come from an institute which was in Pune University in 1993, and that was the time when the placements were not as much as it is right now.
Respected Dr. Vandana, Mr. Sanjeev, Dr. Ripudaman, my friends sitting over there, Mr. Viren, Mr. Ajay, Mr. Mohanty, and dignitaries of the dais, Sammanit parents, Abhivavakgan, and the young professionals sitting over here who are going to start there. This is वो जो डिफेंस में कहते हैं ना अंतिम पग. So ये आपका मैडम भी कह रही थी कि शिक्षा कभी समाप्त नहीं होती, बट ये शिक्षा का अंतिम पग होता है. यहाँ से यू वेंचर इनटू अ न्यू लाइफ, दैट इज द प्रोफेशनल लाइफ.